Hey guys, this is Tint and we are learning PHP, and previous part we have done arithmetic operator, and in this part we will see assignment operator, right? So this is the assignment operator, you can see. So this is used for comparison, right? So here are the x, right? X is equals to y, and y, x is equals to y, right? X is equals to y. So this is used for the comparison. We will see more examples in upcoming videos, right? And x plus equal to y, right? So it means x is equals to x plus y, right? Both will be added, right? Suppose x is 5 and y is equals to also 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 will be stored inside x, which is this one, right? So you can see result will be stored in a x, which is this one. If you will reverse the value y plus equals to x, so whatever result you will add, and the result will be stored in a y, right? So just remember that. Likewise any others, minus, multiplication, right, division and modulus. So let's see the examples and understand this. So suppose we have a x is 10 and y is 5. So I'm adding x plus equals to y, right? I'm using this one. So 10 plus 5 is 15, and 15 will be stored in a x, right? So control s for save and check. So this is the 15, right? So if you want to understand this, just echo so $x. So just tell me what the value of the x, right? So if you are thinking x is 10, right, it's not true, because we are adding this assignment operator, right? Its result is stored in a x, right? So like this, x is equals to x plus y. You can see x plus equals to y. So x plus equals to y, and x is equals to x plus y, right? So result, whatever result will be stored in this value, right? So this value we have a 10 right now, but we are adding it here, assignment operator. So result will be, result is 15, and 15 is storing is here, right? X. So x value is now 15, right? So we know that x is 10, right? And just remove this echo. So this is not, it will not print a 10, but it will print a 10 plus 5 is 15, because we are echoing this x. So you can see this is a 15, right? If you understand more precisely, just put it plus sign, right? And again add 15, right? So you are thinking this x is 10, right? But not 10. We are using assignment operator it here, because at this time this is a 15 plus 15, right? So it will be a 30, you can see, right? So likewise you can understand, you can get the result of minus, right, for minus for division, right? The star for multiplication, and this is forward slash for division, right? And this is for modulus for reminder, right? So you will get the result. This is your homework, you need to do to your own self, right? So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and next video I will come with a new thing. Till then, bye, take care.